Hi everyone, it's me again, Riza from I2 Prime Realty. We're currently here at Alabang West. Its lot area is 300 square meters and the floor area is 750 square meters. So imagine that makita natin mamaya gaano na maximize yung property, yung laki ng property. Makita natin dito, yung garage is an 8-car garage. Sobrang laki. Kayang-kayang i-accommodate ang cars ng visitors nyo. Pagpasok mo, makita mo, maganda ng pavement niya. And on my left, naka-landscape na rin yan. Waiting for you to maintain na lang. This is what I was talking about, yung 8-car garage. Nasa basement siya. Sobrang laki. Maganda yung flooring. Para may stopper siya. Nandito rin sa basement yung 2 maids room, pati 2 drivers room. Meron din 2 common toilet and bath, and 1 storage room. Ganong kalaki itong bahay na to. And merong kang way going to the ground floor. And sige, punta tayo. Tayo dumaan. Pabalik sa harap. Ang daming exit ng house which is something maganda. At may mga faucet installed sa buong labas ng bahay. Ang maganda doon, malaki yung easement niya. Siguro 1.5 meter sa bawat side ng mga bahay. So, hindi kayo dikit ng kapitbahay mo, as you can see. Diba? May mga faucet installed each side. Tara, pasukin natin yung bahay. Yung stairs pala, papasok, may lights na yan. And at night, itong bahay na to is, I'm sure, more beautiful gawa ng lights. Dito sa kabilang side of the house, meron ding easement, 1.5 meter. May mga faucets installed din sa gilid. So, madaling gumalaw sa bahay na to. So, pagpasok natin, medyo confused ako kung bahay pa ba to or events place or a badminton court. Kasya talaga ang isang court ng badminton. And I'm excited for the next owner nitong bahay na to kung paano niya gagawin to. Kung paano gagawin ng interior designer nito. I'm sure super ganda. So mamaya na tayo dito sa kitchen. Dito muna tayo sa isang area. I think this can be an office or a gaming area. Pag may visitors ka, masyadong busy sa living area, parang ito mas solace yung place, di ba? Meron din siyang access to the toilet, common toilet dito sa ground floor. May access din to the living room, to the living area. Merong storage room dito sa baba ng stairs. Ang laki niya. Pwede ka humiga. Punta tayo sa kitchen. You have a very huge kitchen. Ganda yung galawan mo, maluwag. You have a kitchen island kasama ng induction stove mo. Yung mga appliances pala dito, the brand is Franke. Sabi ni Google, Franke. And ang ganda nung cabinets niya. Hindi mo kailangan ng handle to open it. You also have the sink. Same brand. So, expect mo yung quality sa German brand. And same dito sa cabinet sa taas. And my provision for, I think it's for a 2-door fridge. Dito, may access going out kung saan tayo umakyat kanina from the basement. Actually, each side of the house may access ka going out. So, let's go upstairs. Let's check out the rooms. This house has 6 bedrooms. Ang ganda ng stairs. Hindi siya nakakahingal kasi maliliit lang yung steps. So, pakita ko muna kung gaano kalaki yung door ni master's bedroom. See? Pang function hall. Diba? I think, tansya ko lang parang mga nasa 70 square meters tong master's bedroom. So, bukod sa access mo sa balcony doon, meron ka ding maliit na balcony dito. Check out natin yung... Meron nga check out natin yung toilet and bath. Salubungin ka ng walk-in closet. Ang ganda niya. Ang laki. Hindi kayo mag-aaway ng partner mo. This side is sa akin, this side sa'yo. Mga ganun. At ito, ang pinakamagandang bonding with your partner. Diba? Ang ganda, ang sarap siguro mag-usap sa umaga, ganyan. Tigisa kayo ng cellphone. Diba? Patagalan kayo. And ito yung shower. Ganda din. So, kung minimalist lang siya, konti yung colors. Ganyan. By the way, itong flooring, an engineered Cobham Molave. And punta tayo sa balcony. Makita mo kung gaano ka-peaceful yung community dito sa Alabang West. Siguro parang 8 square meters balcony pa lang. Ganda, no? Check out natin yung ibang rooms. Sobrang dami mong lights inside your room. It's also a big room. Pwede sa anak mo or to whoever you want to use this room. May magandang mga windows para ma-accommodate yung lights, para magbigay din ng magandang ambience sa room. And merong provision for a window type AC. Tignan din natin itong bathroom. By the way, lahat ng bathroom din ng bahay na to may walk-in closet. So pagpasok natin, parang bagay dito yung gumamit ng room yung madaming damit talaga. Ang laki ng closet mo. Para to sa mahilig mag-shopping. And here's your toilet and bath. So, see? Let's go to the 3rd floor. 3rd floor ay mayroon pa 1, 2, 3, 4 rooms. 3 rooms. And 1 is a balcony. Ang ganda doon. Pwedeng, if you're gonna host a party, pwede din doon, pwede sa baba. Kagaya nung pangalawang room, yung size. So, meron na ring provision for the AC. May windows na para mag-pass through yung natural light. maging maaliwalas tignan. And your toilet and bath na may sarili ka ding walk-in closet. Check out natin yung iba. Another room. By the way, itong bahay pala, yung orientation niya ay nakaharap sa north. So, hindi mo problema yung sun kung tatamaan ka ba sa harap ng bahay mo, kung mainit ba sa labas. Hindi. Check natin to. May walk-in closet ka na naman. And you have your own toilet and bath. Ang room na to has a balcony din, kagaya ng master's bedroom. Ang ganda ng lighting. Siguro ang ganda nito pag ang ganda ng curtains mo, mas magbibigay buhay dun sa room. So may sarili ka ulit na walk-in closet and toilet and bath. So puntahan natin yung balcony, where you can host a party. I think 20 to 30 people could fit in here. Ganyan. Sobrang hangin dito. Makita mo yung Alabang view. Kita mo rin how peaceful your neighborhood. So guys, if ever nagustuhan nyo tong property na to ay located dito sa Alabang West. Just send us a message and don't forget to like this video, follow us on our social media accounts, and subscribe to our YouTube account. Just send us a message, Viber or WhatsApp us, and we're going to help you. We're going to assist you. We're gonna send you the details of this property. And if ever may gusto kayong ibang properties, dito din sa South or in the Metro, tutulungan namin kayo. Again, this is Raisa from I2 Prime Realty. Thanks for watching. Bye.